So my name is Mohammed Idris, and I'm the General Manager of Business Development at Engro Energy, Pakistan. I'm also part of the advisory committee of this nitrogen and syngas conference. So that also brings me here every year. But above all, this conference is all about the innovation that's happening in the business. So, a progressive operator like Engro, who's always looking for these innovations, it is must to attend such a conference. So in order to see which direction the world is going towards, and how do you increase your profitability and increase the economics of your business. Well, this conference gives you a tremendous networking opportunity. So you see people from across the globe coming over here. You have a huge number of operators attending the conference, and then you have these technology licensors who are doing innovation and research and development in their businesses, just to make sure that operator can get the best product in the market, and then they go back home, implement those changes, and increase their profitability. And especially in these times when there is a lot of digitalization going on, people talking about renewable energies and the tariff of the renewable energy production coming down, talking about the circular economies. So what I see the best thing about this conference is it sets the direction, where the operator might be going in the next 3-4 years. So it makes the operator think about these innovations, and then they go back home and implement some of those changes and increase their, their profitabilities and improve their business models. Yeah, as I've told you that you meet the experts coming with decades of experience in their fields. You meet the experts who's some of the experts in material, some of the experts in inspection, operation, process engineering. So we had a problem back home about one of the leakage at the urea plant. So because of the networking of this conference, I could meet those experts in the right field who could advise me about how to arrest that leakage. So that was an innovative concept of a CO2 pressurized box up, which we developed with the help of the experts that I met with in this conference. And that's how we increased the reliability and safety of our plant and averted a plant shutdown as well. I mean, saving millions of dollars that year. So this is the 9th time I'm attending this conference in a row, and definitely I'll come next year also, prepare other presenters to come and present these things from the operator side. And I think for a smart operator, it is a game of how does he improve the business model. So this conference is very important to attend for an operator, because you can see how can you go for a value-added product. If you are having a problem of higher costs, higher fixed costs, you can go for solutions which can which are emerging from in this world, and you can also see that how can you implement some of these emerging technologies. You talk about advanced process control, you talk about digitalization. Now you've been talking about low carbon footprints, you talk about high hydrogen generation from renewables and circular economies. So a smart operator cannot isolate himself from the conference, because that's something, the leads that the operator is always looking for. And once, if you know certain things and you go and implement that to your plant, it definitely can result into higher profitability of your business. Well, the best thing about this conference is it's not only a technical conference. It covers the commercial aspect, it covers the trading aspect. You see a lot of financial institutions in the conference as well. You see a lot of traders. So it gives you an idea of the entire supply chain of a urea plant. So commercial sense, the nitrogen outlooks, energy outlooks, and then the operational troubleshooting and problems. So this is one conference that encompasses the entire supply chain of how does a urea business or a methanol business work. And then above all, it also talks about the value-added items like melamine and other things. And also the environmental part, which is very important these days. So it covers adequately the environmental part, and then the circular economies and the renewables part as well. Well, I think if you are a newcomer to this conference, you don't have to be worried about anything. it gives you such an opportunity, because the structure of the entire conference is designed in a way that it compels you to, you know, come out of your shell, come out of your comfort zone and meet people. If you're not meeting anyone, somebody else will come and meet you. And then you go to these stalls where people will be waiting for you, and you can get the information, and that's how you can exchange the cards, and you can do a lot of networking. And then during the lunch breaks, and even in the networking nights, so the entire conference is designed in a way that it gives you lots of opportunities to mingle with people, to exchange your views. So that's how it is, and that's why this conference is so successful. That, you know, when you go back home, you'll have those hundreds of those visiting cards that you've, you know, people that you've interacted with.